Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're doing a trail, an easy trail today. I have compass and I have my daughter with me. Guys, I'm going to do a little bit of talking for a while now, and as I'm talking, we get the beauty around me. Yesterday we went out to do some filming, and the wind was horribly bad. I'm not going to tell you what we was filming because we're going to do it again today after we get done doing this, but while we was on location, oh my gosh. First of all, Stormy was going berserk. I'm going to run some of that footage now, a teeny bit of that footage, and show you what I mean. Okay, that was fine and good and all. And the wind was picking up real bad, so I tried to get another shot of something, and I learned something. When the wind's blowing 55 to 60 miles an hour, I can't hold the selfie stick and record. And this next shot I'm going to show you, it's all over the map. And then I had to call it, I had to put the brakes on when the wind put me on one foot. It about knocked me over. Now this next shot, I may have to put a little teeny music to it because there was actually music in the background, and you know how YouTube is. And after that, we'll do some talking, yeah! So basically, after that shot right there, or after we tried to get that shot, it was just too dangerous to do anything outside. It was just crazy, and I see a trail right here. Holy. See, where we're at, they have new trails, and we're trying some of them. We're at the spot where the observation deck is, and that's brand new. I have no idea where that goes or where it comes out at. Huh, but we'll follow this one. Maybe we'll take that trail on the way back. But yeah, it was just too dangerous. So we got back to the car, I put the brakes on, and we went home and took a nap. Yeah. All right, guys, we are headed to the observation deck. We had a lot of rain recently, so I'm hoping the water is way up. I've hiked lots of places, and this is still one of my favorites. Oh man, I told all about the observation deck in many of my videos, so I'm not going to tell much about it, but wow, it is definitely beautiful. All right, I'm going to snap some shots for my iPhone so they could go into the thumbnail, because I got the perfect sun right over on the side of me. And yeah, let's enjoy the rest of this hike. I say this all the time, but if you ever get a chance, go out to nature. It cleanses the mind, cleanses the soul. Oh boy. Now see, on the weekends I get most of my recording done. Unless I do the low-key videos, which Mondays was. I could do them pretty much when I walk or kind of anytime. But on my adventures like I'm doing now, it has to be the weekend. And when one of them weekend days is interrupted with wind, rain, or whatever the case may be, I have to do it on a Sunday. It's the only time I could get out here into this beautiful, beautiful place. Yeah, what are you all laughing about?
You.
Oh, me? Okay. Okay, let's head back, nature? Guys. Yeah, nature. This is nature. Well,
what do you know about nature you're filming?
I'm filming.
You're scaring all the deer.
Well, the thing about,
Bigfoot.
I will admit, we've been in thicker woods than this, obviously. But this is still mind-boggling. I mean, come on.
How am I supposed to get kidnapped by Mothman?
What's a Mothman ain't out here, trust me.
Yeah, because you scared him.
We have to go to Point Pleasant, Virginia for Mothman.
Yeah, you're scaring him.
One day I want to do that documentary.
Like,
Now, I have a Facebook account specifically for my channel, One Bubba Mike 1. And up until the other day, I was only adding photos and outtakes to add when after the video aired. Well, I will definitely wait until I will air the outtakes. Come on, Mike, get with it. I will definitely air the outtakes. Sorry, I keep thinking behind me you're making faces.
no. Why would I do that?
Because I sure in heck ain't used to you.
I would never do that.
I could barely see my viewfinder. But anyway, I would do my outtakes. I will air them after the video airs, but the photos, no. You can see what's coming your way. You know, I decided to start doing that the other day instead of waiting until after the video airs. I just go ahead and do it. Yeah, why not? And I don't trust my daughter behind me.
You're gonna step in goose poop and I'm gonna laugh.
Honey, okay. That reminds me about poop. There will be a skit, by the way, this Saturday. I haven't done a skit in the last 2 weeks because I haven't really had the time. But there will be a skit. And not to give it away, but poop reminds me of that. All right, guys. Let's kick up our heels and get some dirt behind us and let's put some miles in. Let's get some other beauty. One of the reasons I chose this trail today because it's got cleachy, you know. That means it won't be muddy or anything like that because all the other trails, I guarantee, they are filled with mud, especially with all the storms we had. But this being cleachy is perfect for hiking even after a storm. But guys, I wish I could have done that video yesterday, but I've never ever faced wind like that before. Anytime I'm ever out in the field to do a video. That was the first for me. I realized how difficult it was to videotape in the wind holding a selfie stick. Okay, we're almost at the end of this trail. We're right up here at the trailhead. And from here, I'm headed on location to get the video I was hoping to get yesterday. Yes, since it's Christmas time to get some Christmassy videos. Well, at least one anyway. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And like I say every time, you ever got the time, you ever got the energy, get out here to Mother Nature. Overlook the dill rods. That ain't a nice word. Oh, what are you guys, a cheering crew back yonder?
We're cheering for nature.
Yeah, you're cheering for nature. Amen to that. Amen to that, honey. Yeah, cheer for nature, man. Hey, that might be the name of the video. Cheer for nature. Remember that, Mike. All right, guys, until next time, we'll see you soon. Come on, let's get out of here. I have to say, it's been one goofy video. Holy, you're goofy. All right, we'll see you next time, guys.